Hello, I am Jitendra Gaglani from Chennai and I am an IELTS and spoken English trainer. I teach students of all boards like CBSE, State, IGCSE, etc. for grade 4 to 10. I hold an MBA degree in HR and marketing from Amity Business School. I have trained over 500 Indian and international students in the last 10 years. 300 of these were online learners. I scored the 97.8 percentile in CAT 2009 and I regularly solve CAT, SNAP, XAT and MHCET just to remain competitive and to update myself constantly. I actively connect with new people online to expand my knowledge base. I strongly believe in the saying, once a teacher, always a learner. I'm also a national level business cruiser. As far as my teaching style goes, I tailor make courses for students depending on each one's capacity and speed. I have a no holds barred approach to knowledge sharing. I add a dash of business news to my classes. I have a very short turnaround time in terms of doubts, queries, etc. And I use tools and other aids extensively. I provide lots of resources to students to work on. I lay strong emphasis on error-free quality content. I have been taking classes online and therefore I quickly adapt to new technology, and by doing so, I become accessible to students 360 degrees. I conduct webinars frequently for the global audience and cover topics extensively. Sulekha's eLearn gives you the wonderful opportunity to learn subjects with the most advanced means and from experts like me. It's easy and very flexible to make learning really helpful and would be perfect for all your exams, keeping a syllabus in mind.